Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. And I have to tell you guys, I have really been enjoying this monthly subscription. I've gotten several of these so far. Last month was my favorite because I love turquoise beads and I love turquoise Picasso. And that's what last month was all about. And both of the pieces in last month's box were amazing, and I feel like every box I've gotten so far, the projects have been really well designed and thought out, and also the instructional videos on these boxes are really easy. So let's go ahead and open this, and I will put a link for this monthly subscription down there in the description bar for you guys so you can go and check out for yourself. So let's see what's in this month's box. And again, I've told you this here is a piece of paper that has a website that you can go to and follow the instructions to make the pieces in this box. And let's see what we have here. Okay, so there's 2 lobster calls. So probably going to be a bracelet and a necklace. And here are some table cut beads. These are beautiful. They're black. Squares. And, oh wow, there's a lot of these. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are table cut too. They're oval shape. And I gotta open this because it's kind of hard to see. Those are pretty. Look at that. I love those. And there's a bunch in here, as you can see. And all of the beads in these boxes that I've gotten so far, they're all check beads. So they are really good quality and beautiful beads. There's a lot of crimp tubes in here. There's 10. So wow, there must be some multi-strand pieces going on with this box. Last month there was a multi-strand necklace and there was a wrap bracelet, so there's some really neat projects they have. These are 4mm jet, meaning black, matte trucks. There's a bunch in there. And let's see. Oh, these are little links. They're like jump rings, but they're braided, or like a rope design. Those are pretty. I've been wanting to get stuff like this. I need to find a bunch of those so I can use those in my designs. Which there is product code on here, so I could just go to their website and put the product code in, and I would probably find a whole bunch of those. These are pretty. Is this orange or brown? It's kind of hard to tell. I think it's orange. It's kind of like a brownish orange. It's really pretty. These are like cathedral beads. They're Picasso. They're 8mm. And then we have some more table cut. These are rectangle shapes with Picassos. These are definitely brown. So maybe these are orange. Yeah, it's like a burnt orange. Those are nice. Oh, I love these. Those are beautiful. And here are some really unique looking beads. They're like rectangles, but they're faceted. Those are unique. I've not seen this shape yet. And then we have some more, but these are matte. So these are shiny, and then there's matte. And then we have some jump rings. Looks like 8mm jump rings. And these are rondelles. These are drop dead gorgeous. Check rondelles are the best quality. In case you didn't know, they do not have sharp holes at all, and they're perfect for weaving with. These are stunning. I love the color. And then we have some more of these rectangles, matte, black, and these shiny. They're table cut beads. And then we have bead stringing wire, and there's a lot here, so I'm thinking there's probably a couple multi-strand pieces maybe, or they're both very long, because some of the projects have been like that, like really long necklace that you could wrap around twice. Oh, in the last month I had a wrap bracelet. I think it wrapped around 3 or 4 times. So maybe the projects are going to be something like that. So this is it The beads in here are gorgeous. I'm excited to see what the projects are going to be. I don't know until I go on to their website and I put the link in and see what the projects are going to be. But I will post the finished projects at the beginning and end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I will put a link to the BohemStyle monthly subscription down there for you guys so you can go and check out yourself. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.